What's going on, you guys? Thank you guys for tuning in to another video. Today I'm actually going to be going to another car meet. I actually haven't been to this one, but I'm gonna go with Carlos again. I think he's gonna meet me at the gas station because I need to put gas. But as I mentioned in the last video, I actually got my rain guards in here. Haven't had time to put them on yet because I haven't washed the car, but I'll be doing that soon. Yeah, I've never been to this car meet, so I don't know what cars there's gonna be, but hopefully there's some other sick cars that we can see. Maybe a few Type R's. But yeah, I'm gonna go give you guys a cold start and then we'll start heading out to the gas station. Switch out with that cold start. Yes, sir. So I haven't been able to fix that rattling issue that I told you guys about from the exhaust. It's either somewhere in the back with the hanger, or maybe one of the heat shields is hitting one of the pipes. So I still need to, I'm gonna have to lift up the car and check that just to make sure nothing's hitting, and it should go away. But yeah, I'm gonna go to the gas station right now, meet up Carlos there, pump some gas, and then get going to the meet. How much are you guys paying for gas? It's $4.69 here. Let me know in the comments below. There he is. Alright, there we go. Just fueled up. Fueled up, ready to go. Already know we gotta put hand sanitizer. That Rona out there, man. Oh, hell no. Doing that, let's go. Just got to the car meet. Have you seen that TikTok where they're like, is that a Supra? No? I gotta show it to you, it's so stupid. I just made one the other day just to keep watching that video. Damn, that thing's freaking loud. A bug eye? Dang, you hardly see these. Oh, this Evo looks sick. ETS intercooler.
Reminds me of a Civic.
This one?
Yeah.
The color?
Yeah, the color.
Oh look, there's more people coming in. I want to see this Evo again. Yeah, this thing's clean. What do you guys rather have? An Evo or a Subi? I'll take the Evo.
Let a dolly be trained.
Oh yeah. No, these taillights stick too.
Why didn't they?
I don't know.
I've already seen them. This is the third or second time I've seen this.
I know, me too. Look at this. Is that a Tomei? It's a Tomei. That thing's freaking huge.
It's like a 4-inch.
Dude, my whole fist could fit in there. Is that a GTR? Fast and Furious GTR? Damn, we got a Ferrari coming. Huh?
I think that's the Dodge Viper.
Oh yeah, it is.
What the fuck?
The Ferrari.
So a car meet.
Damn, big flex. Must be nice. It looks like this meat's like actually alive, huh?
Yeah. At least it's not getting rated yet.
The Civic with the underglow? Oh wait. Should we go in here? Let's go in here. Alright. Man, we should have came earlier then, huh?
Well, I told you at 7:45.
I know, but we didn't know how this one was gonna be. Oh, that's the name of the people that are hosting this. Status 7?
That is what?
7.
Oh.
Danny? Ford Focus RS. That'll get me. I'll look another side for it. That one? That color? That's cool. My brother. Stock wheels though. I think he's lower. Is he lower? No, I don't think so. Or maybe. Another told me. Is that a Supra? Is that a Supra? Dude, you gotta watch that video. I'll show it to you. Oh, it's the 2021. Behind the scenes of a photo shoot. It's all about the lighting. Huh?
The lighting.
It's all about the lighting. The NSX, so it looks sick. I mean, the halo rings. I don't like the convertible 350s though. The Fast and the Furious GTR and the R35 version. Dude, these are some big ass freaking wheels.
They look like fucking 20-inch or 21.
I don't know how big, but they're freaking huge. Carbon lip. If I were him, I would change this to the clear one. Dude, I want to race one of these. A GTI or a Golf R. The Miata squad. Should we move your Miata here?
Right there.
Oh. No, I think he hit the curb.
Really?
Yeah. The Graham lights. What the hell is this? The space car. Damn. Another Ferrari. GTR. Must be nice. Every time a GTR has that little duckbill instead of the wing, they're fast. They know they're fast. I don't know, it just always gives that impression. Alright, we're gonna be heading out now. This meet was alright. There wasn't that many cars, but we still saw some cool ones. I'll probably continue this video when I install the rain guards on my car. Alright, what's up everyone? It's actually been, I think, like a week later from the last clip that you guys just saw. But like I said, I'm gonna be installing my window visors, or these rain guards, whatever you want to call them, onto the car. So I'm gonna just do the first one, show you guys how to do that, and then I'll time lapse the rest. Alright, first things first, you're gonna want to grab one piece of the rain guard and then mock it up on here, and then they give you one of these little clips. Let me see if we can focus. There you go, one of these little clips. You're gonna take off the weather stripping, just pull it down a little bit. If not, get one of the, get like a little plastic trim tool like this so it can help you out. And you're gonna want to mock it up just like that and there. And then once you mock it up and have it in place, there's these little holes on the rain guard where you're gonna put little pins through them on each side. And it's also 3M tape, so it's pretty easy to install. So they also give you little alcohol wipes, so you can clean the surface of where the 3M tape is going to be sticking onto. And then once you have it taped on, you're going to want to put the pins in to lock them in place, and that's pretty much it. So let me go ahead and do that. Alright, there you go. I've installed one of them. So these are the little locking pins I was talking about. There you go. So those are the little locking pins that you just put in the hole, and you have your 3M tape securing it. So now I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of them, and I'll show you guys what the car looks like after. There you go. Got one side done. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side, and then probably take the car out for some pictures. Okay, what is up guys? It's been like a week later since I've installed the rain guards or the window visors. But just to give you guys a quick update, I picked up a new camera. I got an external microphone with the wind muff, so it's pretty windy right now, so I don't think you should be able to hear all the wind noise, which is pretty good. So I'm gonna just give you guys a quick cinematic of the car now that I've got it installed. Oh, before I show you guys, I think it looks pretty sick. I like it in my opinion. I am looking probably to get the front Mugen lip. I really want it, but I don't know if I'm gonna do it right now, but that's something I'm looking into. And also something else is these front garnishes. You can actually get the 2020 plus Type R front garnish bumper, and it's a direct replacement, so you'll have that little I guess that little hockey stick. I'll put a picture of it if I find one. I'm looking to get two of those, but man, those are like on freaking back order. I can't find them anywhere, so yeah, I'm looking to replace those because I don't really like the honeycomb front bumper garnish on there, so I'm looking to replace that. Let's get to the little cinematic that I'm gonna shoot for you guys. Alright, well that's pretty much gonna do it for today's video. If you guys enjoy watching today's video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll be trying to post more. Actually, next week I think I'm gonna go to the Art of Attack meet, so that should be fun. Peace out guys. I'll see you guys on the next one.